Here's what you need: double-sided tape, your cookies of choice, chips of your choice. Better to get the boxed ones from Costco or the Halloween ones that are out now. Your Etsy printables, which link will be available in the bio. Scissors and or a glue gun if you prefer to use that over the double-sided tape. You're going to cut the lines and size it up. Make sure that you have it right. You're going to fold your printables so that you know the proper sizing. And you are not going to do it this way. This way is very complicated. What you are going to do is glue the inside on 3 sides. So lengthway at the top and the bottom, and one of the vertical sides. You can do both. It would just mean that it's going to adhere to the bag of Oreos or your bag of chips, whatever cookies you want anyway. It doesn't have to be Oreos. All supplies here were purchased at the dollar store, so you can get them at Dollar Tree, Dollarama, Dollar Plus, whatever is in your area, and you can see relatively easy. In all, it took about 15 minutes to do, which was not bad at all. But here you can see, very, very quick, simple, and voila, just like that, we've got some chips done and some cookies done, and it is a perfect party favor for your birthday parties, for bachelor parties, all of that fun and good stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what else you want to see. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye!